Hi guys, this is a video tutorial from electrogear.com.au. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to set up motion detection for the cameras. This tutorial assumes that the DVR is in its default state. If you've made any changes to the system, it might look a little bit different when we go through it. If you do get stuck, just revert back to default settings, which you'll see in another tutorial. Otherwise we'll go ahead. Immediately what you'll find after installing a hard drive is that on each individual camera you'll get a little R present in the bottom left, and that indicates that the hard drive is currently recording. So what we want to do is we want to go to the main menu, then go to Advanced, and then go to MD for Motion Detect. So you're going to get a list of the channels here, and the status for each of these is currently off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn channel 1 on for motion detection. Sensitivity is the sensitivity, 8 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. It is quite sensitive, so generally I just leave it on about 1. And then if you click on setup here, you can adjust the areas for motion detection. Sometimes you don't want it to detect in certain areas, and sometimes you do. For example, if there was a driveway, perhaps you'd want to block that out. So you do that by right clicking the squares out, like so, and you can do this anywhere along the screen. I'll just do this as an example. Once you're done with that, just right click on the mouse, it takes you back to the menu, and then click apply. And okay, so that's step 1 of setting up motion detection. The second part to this is we'll exit back out, come back into the menu, and then what we want to do is go to the record menu. And in this menu we basically have an option for the record mode. Now at the moment it's set for recording on power up, and we want to change that for a timer record. Record size is the length in minutes of the recording. I generally leave it on about 15 minutes. It's up to you. After you've set it on timer record, the schedule button here will be active, and you can click that. So this is the channel that you're about to adjust. You can adjust all of them or only one channel. In this case I'm going to adjust just channel 1 because that's the one that I set for motion detection on. You've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and the weekdays down the left hand side, and then you've got the time up the top here. Green indicates that the unit will record all the time. If you set it on a blue area, for instance, if I didn't want to record for Wednesday, I just set no record to Wednesday and apply that. But if I wanted to set it on motion detection, I have to set it on alarm mode. So alarm mode basically means that the DVR is going to record in its alarm state. That is, if a camera has been removed, it will trigger an alarm state, or perhaps it will detect motion, which is also an alarm state. So if I wanted to put this this particular channel on motion detection all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, I just go through and make all the adjustments to red here. And then I'll just copy from Sunday to all and just copy over. So it's going to make the whole thing red there. Just click apply. And OK. Exit. And then we exit again. Okay. Now as we come up, we'll notice that only channels 2, 3 and 4 have an R on them. Channel 1 does not, because it hasn't detected any motion yet, so it's not going to record. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wave my hand up in the air there. Okay, so you'll see the camera has now detected motion, so it appears with an M, and then it also starts to record as well. And that's how you set up motion detection. Thank you.